Okay, so making this video, one good thing about a wrap, as you can see, my customer here in a car I sponsored, Two-Face Hellcat, he had a trash can right here. And normally you take the front bumper off, repaint the whole front bumper, probably looking at a little over $1,000 to do, maybe more. And being that it's wrapped, this wrap's been on here for about a year, and you're gonna see here, we're gonna pull this piece of vinyl off and this piece of vinyl and just rewrap it. Couple $100 fix, take probably about an hour or two, and it's done. So no time in the shop. Another great benefit of a wrap, if you ding a panel, ding a door, you just pull off that one panel and not have to respray it. So just another good reason to have a vinyl wrap. And also I'll show the paint after I pull this off, how good a shape it's in after a year being on here. And it's been in the sun mostly. I think it keeps it in the garage sometimes, but this car gets driven a lot, so you'll be able to see. Okay, so we just removed the vinyl. This is where the bumper got hit. You can see, didn't even hurt the paint underneath. The vinyl took all the beating. And you can see, the paint is just like it was before the wrap. So, we'll rewrap it now, and that bumper will be fixed. Alright, so, that's where it was. New piece has been installed, and you can't even tell, and that's done. So you can see it only took about an hour. They had to take the bumper off, they had to respray it,